How to get $50 to $60 per hour directly to your PayPal over and over and over again. If you want to know, stick with me because I'm going to show you a brand new website and also 5 alternatives. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online. And in this video I'm going to show you, first of all, a brand new website that will allow you to make up to $60 per hour for something super simple anyone can do from anywhere in the world, and also 5 alternatives. So I really want you to maximize the amount of money you're making, because obviously these opportunities will only come once or twice or thrice a month, so you want to do this over and over and over again. That's why I'm going to show you the alternatives as well. But before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I'm uploading a video to this channel, I'm giving away $300 in courses. So if you want to win $300 in how to make money online courses right now, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know where to send the courses to, and I will be revealing the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end of this video, and also don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. The top link is my top recommended resource for making money online and working from home. Everything else is related to making money online and working from home, so check it all out. And right now, let me share my screen and let me tell you exactly how to get $50 to $60 to your PayPal over and over and over again. Okay, so first of all, you probably know this website if you watched any of my previous videos on this subject. So if you know it, don't switch off because I will show you some alternatives that are brand new. Okay, but for these of you that are new, usertesting.com is an amazing website that pays you, as you can see, up to $60 per test. So essentially what you're going to be doing, you're going to be testing different apps, games, software products, etc. So essentially brand new apps or games that are coming out need testers. They want to find bugs in them, so you know, the person behind it, or you know, the companies behind it, they just need a variety of different people from a variety of different backgrounds to test it, to make sure that everything works perfectly and properly. And you're going to be this tester that will get paid actually for testing brand new, never released before games, apps, pieces of software, websites, etc. Okay, so as you can see, usertesting.com, if you're gonna go to usertesting/be a user tester, so you can just click here on get paid to test. You're gonna earn up to $60 per test. So as you can see, it's a 3-step process. Visit a website or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and then get paid. Just enter your email to sign up. Very, very cool. So again, how this works, you're gonna get $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. User testing pays you to visit websites or apps, complete a set of tasks, and speak out your thoughts. Obviously, they've been working with big companies: Xenex, Apple, Microsoft, Twitter, eBay, Yahoo, Adobe, Dropbox, Evernote, Facebook. So they are working with the biggest companies on the market right now, and they are 100% reliable. And even before we're gonna go any further, I wanted to show you some testimonials from people. So I found this post on Reddit /work online, and someone just asked a question. So anyone has experience being a tester for usertesting.com, and we got 3 testimonials from people, 3 answers, and essentially they all said the same. The first one said, pays well, usually $10 for a 10 to 15 minute test, but you don't qualify for most tests. They usually want specific things depending on the test, such as occupation, whether you use certain apps, speak a certain language, have done specific things like shop for certain items, etc. I usually can make $30 to $60 per month, but could make much more if I was more diligent or checking more available tests. So, you know, very, very important thing. First of all, this person say this absolutely works. And then he says he could do more of these tests, but what he says is that you don't qualify for more for most tests. So obviously they have hundreds of tests every single month, and you won't qualify for every single one, but you will qualify for a few a month. And that's why I'm going to show you some alternatives to user testing, so you can sign up for all of these websites. And if you're gonna do 2 or 3 or 4 tests per website, this will just maximize your profits in the end of the month. Okay, so that was the first testimonial. The second testimonial, as you can see, it says, I love user testing. I wish I had known about it earlier. I have made about $250 in the last 2 months. I just leave the dashboard open on my desktop and check for new tests frequently. Granted, I am near my computer during the majority of the day, and I usually have the flexibility to take the tests. So this brand new person just made $250 in 2 months. So again, if you have like a job that allows you to be near a computer, just like this user, you can make $250 in 2 months on average, and this is directly to your PayPal. So that's the cool thing. So you don't have to wait for like some bank transfers or anything like this. This goes directly to your PayPal, and you can pay it out, start using this cash immediately. And the third one, I use their iOS app on my iPhone. I get 1 or 2 jobs a month on the phone. They pay via PayPal, lots of competition for the jobs, $10 for 20 minutes of work, more jobs offered through the website. You answer several screening questions, get screened out of many of the jobs. It's good work when you are in the target demographic. So again, a third positive testimonial, and this person only uses their iPhone, so they are not even next to their computer. You can do these tests via an app if you have an iPhone. So very, very cool. This just shows you that user testing is absolutely legit and that you can make a ton of money. Again, you won't become a millionaire, you won't be making thousands of dollars every single month, but this is a very, very cool way to get paid via PayPal and get some extra money. If you want to just to help to pay the bills, or maybe if you're saving for something, this is a perfect way of actually getting paid via PayPal without having any experience or tech skills or anything like that. Okay, so usertesting.com, check it out. I highly recommend it. And if you know user testing already from my previous videos, I wanted to show you the alternative that is brand new, test.io. Very, very similar idea. As you can see, essentially companies go to this website when they are looking for testers, and you're going to be testing a variety of different things. So apps, software, websites, even games. Okay, so let's click on become a tester. And as you can see, it says join our testing community, become a tester, test the latest apps, websites, and games, get paid for every issue you find. So, with user testing, they're going to pay you per test, and with test.io, you're going to be paid for every issue you're going to find. They are working with Revolve, SoundCloud, Lacoste, Edmunds, so some big companies as well. As you can see, it says earn good money, earn up to $50 for issue you find. Can't find any bugs, no problem. You can also be paid for rating apps. Work from home, easily work from home or from your favorite place. Work the hours that make sense for you. Test the latest apps. Be the first one to see the latest apps from top companies and cool startups. So again, registering takes 5 minutes. Obviously, all you're gonna have to do is just fill out a small submit your email, submit your name, etc., and you can start making money with this the same day you sign up. So super cool. This is the #1 alternative to user testing, test.io, and this is a brand new website. So you probably if you are into testing webs and making money this way, you've probably never seen this before. This is a brand new website. Okay, so test.io. The next up is testingtime.com. So super similar idea. As you can see, they say we recruit test users. So obviously this is for companies. You're going to click on become a test user, and as you can see, it says test products at home via Skype on or on site with the customer earn up to 50 euro per hour, which is up to $60 per hour. So very cool, especially comparing all these other websites that maybe gonna pay you like $5 or $10 per test, which can take like 10 or 20 or 30 minutes. These guys are actually paying a lot, 50 euro, which is $60 per hour. And again, this is paid via PayPal, directly to your PayPal, and you can use these funds immediately after you receive them. You can impact the productions of tomorrow with your opinion. You're going to be one of the first people to test future products. You can take a break to try something new. They guarantee variety, fun, and extraordinary experience. So again, super cool. You don't need any experience. You don't need any tech skills. You can start doing this literally from anywhere in the world, because obviously testing time will need a variety of different testers. So again, you won't qualify for every single test, but if you will fit the description of what they're looking for, then testing time will send you some PayPal cash as well. Okay, so testingtime.com, check it out. The next app is enrollapp.com, and I've talked about this one as well, but this is a very cool and reliable place to get paid to test different apps and websites. And again, they are paying via PayPal as well. So as you can see, they say help make the web a better place. Enroll lets you take quick tests and help make the web a better place for everyone. Help companies decide which logo is better, qualify content, or simply complete tasks on a website or an app, ensure that the interaction makes sense. So you're going to be one of the first takes. You can take these tests from anywhere, earn rewards, change the web. So very cool alternative for you as well. And again, before we're gonna go any further, just keep in mind, you will probably on each and every single one of these websites, you will get like a test or 2 or 3 or 4 tests per month. So just sign up for all of them to maximize the amount of money that you're making. Okay. Next up, we got trymyui.com. This is sort of a new website as well. I think I've never covered this in my previous videos. And as you can see, they say, how can you improve your app, product, or website? So they are again working with companies. You will become a tester. We can click on get paid to test right here, and you can become a Try My UI tester. So again, they're gonna need your full name, email. You're gonna create a password, and then you're just gonna submit your answers. They will contact you with all the information. As you can see, payments are made via PayPal to this email address. So while signing up, just remember this, to use your PayPal email address right here, and payments will be directly to your PayPal. So again, another one of these websites that pays you via PayPal, pays you to test, and again, you're going to be receiving this money and you can spend it immediately. So very cool. Getting paid via PayPal is one of the easiest ways to get paid online, I think. So that's just another way. And the number 5 and the last one I got for you in this video is validately.com. As you can see, again, they say learn from users, collaborate with teammates, and this is for companies. And this website actually works with Google, Amazon, Web.com, Allstates, Microsoft, so big companies, and you're going to become a tester. Again, we're going to click on get paid to test right here, and you're going to be testing websites, making money. It's very simple. How does this work? You're going to sign up, start taking tests, and then get paid. And again, you're going to be paid via PayPal. So super cool. You can again sign up for all of these websites, or just 1 or 2, totally up to you. But if you want to make as much money as you can directly to your PayPal, then just sign up for all of them. And probably there are even other alternatives, but these are the ones that I found for you because these are the ones that pay the most. Okay, so you'll find other websites out there that will pay you again maybe like $5 or $10 per test, maybe like every 20 or 30 or 60 minutes. These are the ones that pay the most money. So I would rather focus on these than spreading yourself too thin. And again, you can just sign up for all of them, get some cool PayPal cash, and you're gonna make some extra PayPal money this way. Okay, guys, that's my top 6 for you. And right now, let's just see who won the $300 giveaway from my previous video. So my previous video is this one right here. You can check it out as well. Earn weekly income chatting with people online, and actually this is about making $10 per hour just chatting with people, so check it all out. And I'm going to go to YouTube random comment picker right now, and let me paste in the URL. We have 10 unique comments, and we will pick a random winner right now. Okay, you got CXRRYXD, weird name. Thanks for making this video. So far I made $148. Thank to you. Please keep making these videos. And I got the email, so you know, the proof is in the pudding right there. You know, this person just made almost $150 just with my videos, so I'm super excited for you. Keep on making money, keep on coming back to this channel. I always try to you know, give you as many tips when it comes to making money online and working from home. So I get the email. I'm gonna send you the courses right now, and again, this is $300 worth of courses. If you would like to buy these, you would have to spend $300, and everything is about making money online and working from home, so this will really help you out. Okay guys, so as you are seeing, I just sent the courses to the winner. Again, congratulations. If you want to win $300 worth of make money online and work from home courses, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know where to send it. And don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. Everything is about making money online and working from home, and the top link is my top recommended resource. If you enjoyed this video, please again give it a thumbs up, please give it a share, leave me a comment if you have any questions. Check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. Everything is about not only making money via PayPal and getting paid via PayPal for testing, but everything that is related to making money online and working from home. So check it all out, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!